Hey guys, today we are in Nassau and we are going to go to John Watling's Rum Distillery. Only a short drive from the downtown Cruiseport and you'll have a great time. So follow along and we'll tell you all about it. We were welcomed on the property with a nice, cold, refreshing beverage. We are at John Watling's Rum Distillery and taking a tour, and we gotta go because they're leaving without us. We learned about the history of John Watlings himself and also the history of the property. The tour then continued outside.
Looking at is a water well. This well is 74 feet deep and 7 feet wide in diameter. This well is over 233 years old and it was handcrafted. It took them over a year to finish. A fun fact about this well, it was made out of limestone, so it has its own filtration system, so you finally see.
And this is where all the magic happens. Feel free to take photos, hopefully it's no flash photography. Okay, that's kind of good.
Alright, and this very room is where all of our aging, numbering, bottling, and packaging process takes place. As you all can see, we have no machinery. Because we have a group of 5 to 7 workers who does everything by hand. All of our rums are made using sugarcane and molasses and are aged in light oak barrels straight from Tennessee or Kentucky.
Then we went into the gift shop and got to see all the varieties of rum that John Watlings make. And of course we had to try it ourselves. So we all got our own special drink. And if you liked our video, please like and subscribe and follow as, I don't know.
We got more content coming
Yes.
this way. We
Yep.
got a cruise to show,
Yep.
so we can show what we did.
So far this year, we have Carnival Sunshiner going on, Celebrity Excel.
Yes.
Yes.
Excel. Yep.
And then we're looking at 2 other trips. So we will have a lot of content coming for you, a lot of reviews. So follow, like, subscribe. And also we wanted to mention that we are travel agents. So if you do need any help planning your special vacation, we are here to help. We would love to help. So feel free to send us an email. Our email is travelingourpurdyworld@gmail.com. And we would love to help.
We'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Mwah.